Welcome. In this video I will show you how to flip screen on Windows. To flip the screen on Windows, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select System, and then go to the Display Settings. Scroll down until you see the Display Orientation feature. Expand this list, and to flip your device's screen, select Landscape Flipped. Then you're gonna have 15 seconds until the changes will be reverted. In order to keep them, select Keep Changes. And this way you can flip the display of your device upside down. Unfortunately, you cannot see it on the recording. But in order to change the display orientation back, just expand this list once again and select Landscape Orientation, and then confirm the changes. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.